Superintendent Chalmers. What's wrong?
Nothing. I just bought myself a car.
Oh, good. This will sound crazy, but at first I thought I'd enraged you again.
Skinner!
What?
You're getting paranoid. You know, I used to think a car was just a way of getting from point A to point B, and on weekends point C. But that was the old me. That man died the moment I laid eyes on the 1979 Honda Accord.
I've always admired car owners, and I hope to be one myself as soon as I finish paying off Mother. She insists I pay her retroactively for the food I ate as a child.
Yeah, unfortunate. Well, Seymour, I make superintendent money, which amply covers both food and car. Holy jumping Caesar's catfish! My H has been stolen! Now, that's how people know it's a Honda! What's the point of having a Honda if you can't show it off?
Sir, if you'll just stop yelling at me, I'm sure I can find a replacement.
Here we go.
Hey, get away from my car!
Uh-oh.
Oh, you think this stolen H is a laugh riot, don't you? Well, I'll tell you something that's not so funny. Right now, Superintendent Chalmers is at home crying like a little girl. I guess it is a little funny. Nonetheless, I will find the culprit. Stolen H is Mark Simpson.
I don't think you want to look in there, sir.
Hold it, Ash. I'll just stick my head right in it. Half a dozen eggs. Well, that would be the complete dozen. All right, rather than tempt fate, I'll move along now. And so we reach the bottom of the barrel. Nelson Muntz.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
The cold, hard process of elimination places the H squarely in your locker. Dang, darn! A principal's ransom in stolen goods. Well, sir, who's haw-hawing now?
I don't know, but he's got lethal tuna breath.
Who does Nelson think he's impressing anyway, acting so cool all the time?
Not me.
All right, Mr. Smartenheimer, that does it. First, you're going to give back everything you've stolen. Then I'm sentencing you to 1 week of the lowest, most degrading work known to man. Janitorial work.
I'm standing right here, sir.
Yes. Take a good look at it, Nelson, because that's where you're headed. After you claim your stolen merchandise, go directly to Mr. Muntz for an apology.
Bite me. Cram it. You're dead. Get bent, ma'am.
Why do you have to be such a pain all the time? Don't you realize you're getting a bad reputation?
Don't you realize your butt sticks out?
It does not.